Are you ready to become a core member of UNDOGE and start creating your UNDOGE memes? Here is how simple it is to create an UNDOGE meme. So, suddenly, Twitter has introduced Grux, which has simplified the process of creating an UNDOGE meme slightly, but not entirely, because it introduces AI. At the start of the project, I didn't want the use of AI because it taints on the human aspect of things, but technical compromise is affordable at this stage, considering the timeliness of the introduction of Grok right into X. Now, that is why we are going to maintain tech-centric memes while using Grok, because we want you to be you're a human to be entirely factored in the creative process. The triggers or prompts used are created out of your evolution and thought process, and of course the text sentiments on it. Now, we don't want at this stage for the AI to source any imagery, keeping the originality of it. Now, to understand that better, this is how we started when it comes to creating an UNDOGE memes, and a method that you can still make use of in the event that you don't have access to Grok or any sophisticated AI tool for image generation. You can use a Canva template, but without the feature of images, because if you were to use an template like this, it will lose originality in the capacity of media, considering it will have to source existing media. Now, if you want to create an UNDOGE meme, you have to create the media afresh in the event that you want to incorporate media. For now, considering that we simply want to introduce the possibility of creating memes with ease, at will, without having to research third-party media, we are starting with tech-centric memes, which will evolve over time. So if you are to use a template such as this, you can use any creative color scheme that you desire. You can use any, you can basically make use of any element as long as you are the creator of it. Our focus is the text, so the sentiment should not paraphrase an existing entity. Let it stem originally from your innate self. So, as simple as this, I've created an UNDOGE meme. I can decide to adjust the font, for example. And there you go. I can then share this on the likes of Facebook, and I have an UNDOGE meme. I can apply this in replying to someone. So someone is down, for example, and I decide to say, to inspire the person in a timely fashion, and I submit this in a reply instead of the traditional text reply. This will give me an edge over the general public and presence all over X, which may position me for multiple opportunities. But that said, let's transition to Grok and create more interesting, vibrant UNDOGE memes. So don't despair if you are using Grok, you are still creating an UNDOGE meme as long as the prompt is created by you and the text inscription is by you as well. The background can be plain, colored, but should not feature images that are sourced, basically. So we allow for colors and all that because these are things you can create typically. Color is a generic thing, so that's affordable at this stage. So let's say that I wanted to create an UNDOGE meme in the span of a few seconds. Sometimes it may not take a few seconds because you have to involve your creativity in instituting the prompt. But let's say we want to create an UNDOGE meme similar to this with the inscription CEO yourself. We can say colored image as well. If you don't want it to be blank, you can give it color schemes, stuff like that. So let's say okay, so this is my freshly created inscription. In the course of even generating this prompt, you are evolving, you are digging of yourself, you are at times evolving your spirit. Many aspects of evolution occur even in the course of generating a prompt. You are paying attention to a fellow human. Let's say you want to respond to that human and you want to give them a timely, powerful response. You are applying your being on behalf of fellow human in the course of generating this prompt, and in turn the resulting UNDOGE meme. This is very powerful, subconsciously as powerful as can be. And altogether, it's relevant to global evolution. So you are contributing to a world adjusting cause in taking this action. Now, Grok may not be available for everyone. If you're not a premium user, in such a case, you can make use of Canva and explore it to the fullest. So, in turn, we do have an UNDOGE meme, which I'll save it offline. Okay, so that's about it for